I want to teach my daughter not to turn her anger into aggression. Anger and aggression are not the same thing. We don't turn our anger into aggression. We don't use the feelings of anger as a justification for being violent. So we learn that. We can inhibit the aggression. The anger energy, we play. We move it through our system. We embody it. We welcome the anger. Okay. And the anger is often a certain kind of mattering, of valuing something, of reaching for something. It's a boundary. And so yeah, I get it that you're angry. Let's be angry. And we give people ways of being angry, but we don't take it out on people. But in a domination system, those two things get merged. And so what happens is, because so many people instantly convert anger into aggression, we think that anger is bad. And the moment that you inhibit people's anger, you can control them more. And so it's in the interest of a domination system, if they want nice, compliant humans who are obedient, to never be angry and to see anger as only for the privileged. And that's whoever in that system occupies the position. In our current system in America, at least, it's typically white men. So, they're allowed to be angry because they're the one in control. But no one else is allowed to be angry. And it's nothing inherent to white men, by the way. It's just, that's the social structure currently created. We could, and this is the problem with how we do social change. We don't want to just flip sides. We're not going to just take the same system and just change identity factors. Oh, it's not white men. Now it's going to be, I don't know, blue whales. It's the same domination structure. You just have someone else on top. It's ridiculous. Yeah. We don't want to we want to change the structure, not who's on top. That's not the game we're playing. So with your daughter, let's feel into the anger. Tell me where the anger is in your body. How does it feel? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it tingly? Let's move. Let's really move. Like, what does anger make us want to do? We want to find our power. Let's punch, but we don't hurt anything. We don't destroy property. We don't hurt people. We reclaim and feel the power. And once we do that, it moves through our systems pretty quickly. The only thing that makes anger stay is judgmental thinking. And we don't want to feed that. Like with kids, I'll sometimes say, what color is your anger? What animal is your anger? What tree is your anger? It's like a cactus and it's like a fir tree with pricklinesses and, like that. You play with it.